What are you doing in here?
Yes, she's happy for me. She's happy for me. Look, she's happy.
Me a cup of coffee, and I got legit coffee at 11, and then she proceeded to spill her coffee on me. It got on my pants, it got all over.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my God!
Hey, Wasabi. Hey y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know my name Angelique. That's my actual.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat.
We step on it. Oh, Basil, I'm so sorry.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Basically, the rubber bullet that will take you. Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
You stink like shit. Ow!
Shut up.